In this video, I'll show you how to add sub-accounts for WooCommerce. Let's get straight into it. Since this is a main account, we can actually go ahead and invite new team members, and we can see all our current team members as well. We can go ahead and add the member's username. So here we can add their email, job title. We can go ahead and create a password for them. They can change this later on. Phone number. And then when we navigate to role here, we can go ahead and select from these predefined options. So viewer, they can go ahead and read all the order history that we've done. So right, this is great for accounting or something like that. We've got the buyer role here. They can actually place an order and request quote. And then we've got full access, which is everything admin can do. So they can go ahead and invite new team members. They can go ahead and manage our purchase list and so on. Or we can actually go ahead and customize this permission here. So for example, for the buyer, we can say order will require the admin approval, and we can go ahead and send the invite. Okay, so our password isn't strong enough. So let's go ahead and tweak this and let's send invite. So we've invited Sally to this account and they'll get an email. But since we've actually created the password for them, we can just email them the password directly if we want. Okay, and I'll quickly head over to the dashboard and I'll show you how to enable this on your website. And this is all using the Wholesale WP plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or just head over to Wholesale WP. Go ahead and download and install the plugin. So let's head back over to our dashboard. From here, we just need to navigate over to Wholesale WP. I believe there's a few more settings for our sub accounts. When we go sub accounts, we can go ahead and enable this option here where it says company order approval. So if we've got this option enabled here, just like we saw on the front end, the admin of the account was able to set whether a new order placed by their team member will require their approval or not. So if we were to disable this option, then that user wouldn't have that option on the front end. And it's as simple as that. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll leave a link to a wholesale playlist in the description below, so you can go ahead and see what else you can actually do with this particular plugin.